Maximize your PC efficiency with Storage Sense. Storage Sense is a Windows tool designed to automatically manage and optimize the storage resource of your system. This tool can automatically clean up temporary file, empty the recycle bin, remove junk folder, and delete download folders etc. without requiring to manually switch operations among different tools and applications. Press Windows plus I to open settings and go to the System tab. Click Storage. Scroll down to locate Storage Sense under the Storage Management and toggle on it. Thanks for watching.